Hey tech lovers, welcome to another new episode of Mobile Funda, where today's funda is enable the HyperOS 2.0 lock screen on Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G or Poco X6 5G. So if you have these devices, you can try this out. By the way, if you are new to the channel, then don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to keep getting videos like this from Mobile Funda. Now let's talk about the HyperOS 2.0 lock screen. You can see that it works well on my Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G, whether we talk about this layout or this one. However, there is a catch. Some layouts don't work on the Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G because they are based on Android 15, which is not yet available on this device. But the layouts that do work will let you enjoy the lock screen. For devices based on Android 13 like my Xiaomi 11i 5G or the 11i Hypercharge, you can see it works well too, even with Android 13. But here also some of the layouts don't work like the Note 13 Pro 5G. So if you have an Android 13 based Xiaomi, Redmi or Poco device, you can try out this lock screen. Now the funda is how to enable it on any Android 13 or Android 14 based devices. For that, first go to our Telegram channel where you will find a file to download. Then go to your phone setting, next about phone and then backup and restore, then mobile devices. Check other system app data and go inside. Uncheck everything except AOD and lock screen and take a backup of that. Next, go to the file manager and head to MIA folder, then backup and all backup, and replace the backup file with the file you downloaded from Telegram. Then go back to backup and restore and go to restore section and restore the AOD and lock screen data. It may get stuck at 99% for a while, so just wait. After that, when you go to your lock screen, you will see the HyperOS 2.0 lock screen layouts on your device. So guys, this was the HyperOS 2.0 lock screen on Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G or Poco X6 5G. I hope today's funda was clear. If yes, share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. See you in the next video. Jai Hind.